I really think it's time to fire up the Firebird and take it for a ride. Ain't been down the road in a good while. So let's do it. I need to wash it up a little bit. It's pretty nasty. Alright. We got a 10-minute wash job. Maybe 5 minutes. Looks a lot better. Still needs a real good scrubbing. Yep, sure does. But that'll come sometime. Now let's drive it. Well, I did what I said I was going to do. I'm stretching its legs a little bit. Alright, Sunday after church, I done ate, and I put Little Miss on the straight and narrow, or at least I think, shining up her 66. Then I came out here this morning and mounted my new fan shroud to my radiator. I think now I'm going to set the radiator in the truck and see how it looks. I'm going to pull it back out so I can do some wiring probably. I'm going to set it in there and see what's up. Well, it's in there. Let's see how it looks. I think it's going to be okay. Probably should come up with a better radiator mount though. Probably. Alright, I came up with some new mounts. Some good old baling wire. That'll do, right? No, not really. That's just temporary. I think I'm going to go to the junkyard maybe one day after work. See what they had original. And see what can be utilized. I think that's what I'm going to do. The next thing I think I'm going to do is jack it up and see about my fuel tank business. Alright, I think I've got the modifications complete to my sending unit and pickup. Of course, if you know about these things, that you know that that's where the fuel pump used to be, the electric fuel pump. So I just took a 3/8 compression fitting and added a piece of fuel line, so it's just off the bottom of the tank. Now usually they'll have a sock on it, which I probably should do, but I don't have one, and it's a new tank and it's going to go through a fuel filter anyway, so I don't really see the point, honestly. And then I clipped off these two extra lines we don't need, which I suppose is a couple of returns. It's got your vent here, and then this is the pickup line. I think I'm going to utilize that and clamp a piece of steel on outside the tank to continue to the fuel pump. But I can go ahead and put that in the tank, and then I need to run a piece of 3/8 fuel line, then I can hook everything up, I think. I've been operating about half speed. It is Sunday after all. So I've got it that far together. Extended my ground wire. There's my connection for the gas gauge, or the fuel hand, however you want to call it. I think it's about ready to slip up under there, other than I gotta run a steel line. Let me find a piece of that. Alright, I got it pretty well ready to go, but I gotta go, don't you know. Sad but so. Anyway, I'll come back maybe one night this week and put that in. Better pick up my hammer. That's a good one. It's a Martin. Used to be a store in town. Well, not this town, but a few towns over it sold that stuff, but it went out of business. Old school guy. We might have to revisit some of that. But the wheels are shiny. Right, girl? I think we gotta adjust our right headlight just a little. Up. I think we'll worry about that another time. I'm done for the day.